So first off, what do you know about leap day already? Anyone?
It's February 29th.
True, yeah.
That's every 4 years.
Yep. Anything else? Do we know why we have leap day?
Make up time for something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How the Earth rotates.
Yeah. Something along that, right?
I'm not a science
Will you
professor.
repeat those, Claire, for the mic?
Yeah. So they said it happens every 4 years on February 29th to make up time. So talk about that. So we have a leap year so that our calendar year matches our solar year. So every 4 years, an extra day is added to our shortest month, which is February. So leap days keep our calendar in alignment with the Earth's revolutions around the sun. So nice little picture there that kind of visually shows you what that's talking about. So a tropical year, our Earth's revolution, is 365.24 days, which is not quite a year and not quite a leap year, which is what we're going to get into. So if we did not have leap day, over time the timing of annual events, such as our equinoxes and solstices, would change every year by about 6 hours. So over time, this means that our seasons would get later and later, and eventually we could be having snow in July and Christmas with like 90-degree weather. So be real weird. So I'm going to make you do some math. So the Earth rotates around the sun in 365.2422 days. So how long is that in days, hours, minutes, and seconds?
It's okay to get your calculators and your phones. She's already ready as a teacher. She's waiting for an answer.
Yeah. 365 days, 14 hours, and 39 minutes. Oh, I didn't do seconds.
It's okay.
11 seconds.
You're wrong. Sorry.
0.2422. Oh, I used the wrong decimal.
Anybody got it? Daniel, you got it?
46 seconds.
Say it again, Sarah.
Oh, no, I forgot it. 46 seconds.
The 48,
48 minutes.
5
And 5 hours. There we go.
Yeah, good, that's right. So there's the math if that totally went over your head, but it's 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, and 46 seconds. So it's not quite 6 hours more than our regular calendar year. So after 4 years, how many extra hours, minutes, and seconds need to be balanced out by a leap year? So I'm going to go back to that other slide where it's got the answer. So every year we have an extra 5 hours, 48 minutes, and 46 seconds, right? So after 4 years, how much extra time do we have approximately in days? Actually, in hours, sorry.
The room is heating up with all this power.
What if we started with
8.25 hours.
It's a little more than 8.5.
Daniel, you raise your hand?
23 hours, 15 minutes, 4 seconds.
Yeah, 23 hours, 15 minutes, and 4 seconds.
Nice job, Daniel.
So recall that a leap year or a leap day every 4 years is going to be exactly 24 hours. So with that in mind, how much of an overcorrection do we make every leap year? If we have this much extra time and then we add a full 24 hours, what's the difference there? Yeah. So, over time, leap days end up adding too much time to our calendar year. So, over the span of 400 years, how much extra time would be added to the calendar? So, every leap year, we're adding 44 minutes, 56 seconds. So, if we did that for 400 years, how many extra days would we have?
400 years?
Yes.
You must be doing a lot of math.
Almost 300 hours.
Can you do it in days? I have my answer in days.
What did you get? Say it didn't matter?
13 days,
13 days? Close, but no.
12 days.
No, it's more than that.
It's less than that.
6 days.
Yeah.
400 years?
5 days?
Very close. But no.
I got like 4.99.
So remember that a leap year happens every 4 years. So over 400 years, we're only adding 100 leap days.
Not very detailed.
Over 400 years, we only add 100 leap days because it's every 4 years.
4 days, 59 minutes, 24 seconds.
No. No, I'm kind of doubting my own math. Let's look.
Here's this in your evaluation.
Okay. So here's our answer. So like I said, we would have that time multiplied by 100 years, which is approximately 3.12 days. So how do we remedy that? Because of the extra time that gets added over 400 years, years that are divisible by 100 will omit leap day unless they're also divisible by 400. Just a weird rule we have in our calendar. So which years in the last 500 years and in the next 500 years have omitted leap day?
So I think in 2000 we had leap year,
Yeah.
right? But in 1900 you wouldn't have, in 1800, so back to 1600 would be the last time you would need to omit, right? The leap day.
I didn't realize that there was a leap day in 2000.
Yeah,
Okay,
you probably weren't alive then, so.
I wasn't.
Some of us-
Definitely wasn't. Okay, so it's a somewhat hard and fast rule then.
4 years after.
So the years that have omitted leap day, 1700, 1800, 1900, 2100, 2200, 2300, 2500 in the recent past and future. So kind of a extension of this, a little trickier. If we do not have leap years, if we just stopped having leap years right now, how many years will it take for the first day of summer to begin on December 21st? Given that the first day of summer right now is June 21st.
you have to count like cells and cultures and stuff like that? Or do you guys have like squares?
How much is it really tells you to do?
No.
13 years, 180 years.
720.
It's about 700.
720 is close, but not.
I rounded.
Don't.
Where? I did, yeah. I know you do.
Sarah, you're low.
I'm low.
Mm-hmm.
Are we playing prices right? 722. 723.
743, still low. Who else said something?
I said 753.
That's basically it. Okay, so summer begins on June 21st. So for it to start on 21st, our calendar would have to change 103 days. So you just take that 103 days divided by changing 0.2422 days per year, and you get 755 in about half a year until our summer would start on December 21st. All right, so are you thankful for Leap Day now? And do you have any questions?
So who figured this all out? How long have we been doing this?
That's a good Daniel question.
The
The
And
Egyptians.
then Julius Caesar copied it from them. And then now the Pope copied it from Julius Caesar, and then now we're here.
Thank you.
Good job, Claire.
Thank you.